आफ्टरनून सर. सर माइक ऑफ है आपका.
Okay, now it's audible.
हाँ जी सर.
अब मजा आ रहा पढ़ने में. Okay guys, can I see you? Just turn on your webcams beta and let me check whose webcam is not on. Isha, can you turn on your webcam beta? So guys, let's start the class. So today we will discuss about a new topic, how to make a balance sheet. How to make a balance sheet, we will do that. Let me check who's that. So today we will learn how to make a balance sheet. I know you know that how to make a balance sheet, but we will take a recap of that. So come to the page number 4.26. Page number 4.26. Illustration number 17. Ashok, Bhim, Chetan were the partner in a firm, sharing profit in the ratio of 3 to 1. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2015 was as follows. Sheet is given. In the balance sheet, in the liability side, creditor, BP, general reserve and capitals are given. So you know that general reserve and the capital will be transferred to the partner's capital account. Into the assets account, land and building, land, building, plant, stock, debtors and banks are given. Ashok, Bhim and Chetan decided to share the future profit equally. ओल्ड रेशियोज आपको गिवन थे 3 to 1. अब न्यू फ्यूचर रेशियोज होंगे आपके इक्वली 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. because there are the three partners. On the 1st April 2015, for this it was agreed. The goodwill of the firm be valued at 3 लाख रुपीस. फर्म की गुडविल 3 लाख रुपीस है. आपके पास ओल्ड रेशियोज भी हैं, आपके पास न्यू रेशियोज भी हैं. सो आपकी गुडविल निकालना आपको थोड़ा सा इजी हो जाएगा. यू कैन फाइंड आउट द गुडविल. सबसे पहले आप उनके सेक्रीफाइसिंग और गेनिंग रेशियोज निकाल लेंगे, उसकी मल्टीप्लाई आप गुडविल से करेंगे, देन यू विल फाइंड आउट द गुडविल. लैंड बी रिवैल्यूड एट 1,60,000. 1,60,000 लैंड जो रिवैल्यूड भी है. पहले ऊपर बैलेंस शीट में कितने की थी? 1 लाख रुपीज की. 1,60,000 की हो गई, यानी 60,000 रुपीज आपके इंक्रीज हो गए. बिल्डिंग भी डेप्रिशिएटेड बाय 6%. बिल्डिंग का डेप्रिसिएशन आपका 6% है. बिल्डिंग आपकी थी कितने की? 1 लाख की. 66% निकाला, so that will be 6,000. Creditor of 12,000 were to be not likely to be claimed. क्रेडिटर्स हैं यानी उधार है. उधार 6,000 12,000 रुपए के उधार आपसे क्लेम नहीं किए जा रहे, तो आपको फायदा हो गया. आपसे कोई उधार मांग ही नहीं रहा है, फायदा हो गया. सबसे पहले रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट बनाना है. रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट बनाने से पहले बेटा हम लोग क्या करेंगे? वर्किंग नोट्स करेंगे. सबसे पहले हम गुडविल को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. ओके, सबसे पहले हम गुडविल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. हमारे पास ओल्ड रेशियोज भी है, न्यू रेशियोज भी है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियोज निकालेंगे. Three to 1, 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. That is new one. अब बेटा सैक्रिफाइसिंग निकाल लीजिए आप ए का. Three by 6 minus 1 by 3, that will be 6. 3 minus 2 will be the 2 by 6. Sorry, 1 by 6. GSR is equal to GR upon 2 by 6 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 minus 2 by 6 is equal to nil. SR is equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3, that will be 6. One minus 2 will be minus 1 upon 6. तो बेटा ये हमारा सैक्रिफाइसिंग आ गया और ये हमारा गेनिंग रेशियो आ गया. I think that is clear to you बेटा. That is clear. Come to the next point. गुडविल हमारी कितनी है? Valuation of goodwill is 3 lakh. Base share क्या होगा आपका? 3 lakh multiplied by 1 by 6. That is 50,000. C's share 20,000 multiplied by 1 by 6 is 50,000. I hope this point has been clear to you, all of you. This point has been clear to you, beta. First, how to find out the sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio after dividing the goodwill. Akshay Bakshi, is this clear to you, beta? Gurdeep, Kritika, Priyanshi, very good, beta. After that, we have to make the revaluation account. Land and building revalued at 1,60,000. Now it's 60 over there. So कितने का फायदा हो गया हमें 60,000 रुपीस का राइट ऑफ 60,000 here. That is 1,60,000 minus 1 lakh. Another one is depreciation on building. Building depreciation is how much? Building is 1 lakh rupees. 6 upon 100, that will be 6,000. Creditor. $72,000 minus 6,000, that will be 66,000. So 66,000 should be divided into old ratio 3/6 for A, that will be 33,000. For B, 66,000. 2/6, 22,000. For C, 66,000 multiplied by 1/6, 11,000. So that will be to profit transferred A 33, B 22, C this one. Revaluation account is clear to everyone, beta? Revaluation account is clear to everyone? Akshay, it's clear to you, beta? Priyanshi, Naman, just go through it. Okay, now we are going to do the partners capital account, and everyone has to be turned on your webcams, otherwise I'll remove you. Turn on your webcams, beta. Yash, clear beta ji? बेटा बैलेंस बिल्डिंग ओल्ड कैपिटल इज गिवन इनटू द ओल्ड बैलेंस शीट. ओल्ड बैलेंस शीट में देखो बेटा 2 लाख 1,50,000 बैलेंस शीट में बैलेंस कैपिटल गिवन है, ओल्ड बैलेंस शीट में देखो बेटा 2 लाख, 1 lakh and 50,000. By जनरल रिजर्व, जनरल रिजर्व कितने बेटा किए अपने? रिजर्व है हमारे पास बैलेंस शीट में 60,000 रुपीज के, तो एक शेयर निकाल लो बेटा ओल्ड रेशियोज में 60,000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3/6, 30,000 b 60,000 multiplied by 2/6, 20,000 save is equal to 60,000, 1/6, 10,000. Okay, general reserve is clear. $30,000, 20,000 and 10,000. After general reserve, what we have? By devaluation, how much is given? Revaluation हमने निकाला था 33,000, 22,000 and 11,000. आफ्टर दैट बेटा हमने एक चीज और निकाली थी, दैट विल बी योर गुडविल, कैलकुलेशन ऑफ गुडविल. सो सी इज कैपिटल और ए के अकाउंट में हमने डाले 50,000 और इधर लिखेंगे ए इज कैपिटल डेबिट साइड, सी के अकाउंट में हमने डाल दिए 50,000. ओके, and get the total of both sides. Balancing कर लो बेटा जी. यही total बेटा we should write here in front of this. Balancing figure, balance CD 313,000, 142,000, 71 minus 50, 21, and this will be your capital for new balance sheet. This will be the capital for new balance sheet. Okay, come to the balance sheet. Beta ji, that's clear, or do you have any doubt? Just go through this balance sheet. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Just raise your hand. I'll unmute you, so you can ask me. Sanya, Sneha, beta clear? Sukhman, Preet.
Yes, sir.
Naman. Priyanshi. Guys, today I am very unhappy with you. And I am very angry with you guys. You have not sent me the worksheet as well as the homework. If you will make me angry, so I'll make your father angry. So I'm going to make a call to your father. Okay. So today I need a homework as well as the balance sheet, as well as the worksheet. And in the evening I'll share the answer of the worksheet. Before that, I will need your worksheet as well as your homework. Okay. Kritika, you should send me at least Gurdeep, Akshay. You all are very good people. Yeah, you can send me, beta. Okay, guys. Do you have the problem in this question, beta? Yes, Gurdeep. I'm unmuting you. Yes, Gurdeep.
सर एक बार सर
Yes, beta.
फार्मर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट सर एक्सप्लेन कर दो एक बारी.
ठीक है. Okay, I'll explain. In the PCA beta, this balance BD will come from directly from the balance sheet liability side. You will get the capital of A, B, C. Same you will write here. Another one, general reserves you will find into the old balance sheet liability side, and that general we have divided into the old ratio. This is the old ratios. We have divided into the old ratios, and whatever the amount we will receive, we have to transfer into the general reserve. 3,000, 30,000, 20,000, 10,000. Another one, revaluation account. We already made the revaluation account. So this profits we have to write here. This one, this one, this one. And C's capital we already calculated in the beginning. Here, A's is 50,000, B's, C's is 50,000. So I wrote here C is 50,000 into the A's column, A's capital 50,000 into the C's column. Okay, and C is gaining, so we will write here into the credit side C's capital, A is sacrificing, so we will write into the debit column. After that, we'll get the total of this. We'll write here from this total. This is the bigger one. We will write here and subtract from the total of this. And here is nothing is there, so 3,30,000 minus 0, so you will get this amount. I hope it's clear to you, beta. Gurdeep, clear, beta?
Yes sir.
Thank you, beta. I am very happy you asked me the doubt. So guys, can you do that? Okay, so we'll go for the another point. Next one is the adjustment of the capital. When the partner want to adjust the capital, so who has invested more capital, that will be withdrawn, and who has put in the short, that will be they has to bring the new capital. For this we have to go to the illustration, and we can understand it very easily. So I'll just concentrate on the partners capital account, okay, because net effect will be on the partners capital account. So partners capital account मैं clear करता हूँ आपको. सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन देखिए, PQRS, 4 partners are there. How many partners are there? 4 partners are there. PQRS. In a firm, profit sharing ratio is 1:4:2:3. On the 1st April 2016, their balance sheet as follows. Capital PQRS is given, creditor is given, workman compensation reserve is given, fixed assets, current assets is given. From the above date, the partner decided to share the profit equally. Profit हमारा equally 4 partner है, तो 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. For this purpose, goodwill of the firm was valued 2,70,000. Goodwill हमारी कितनी है? 2,70,000 की. Claim against the workman compensation reserve was estimated 2 lakh rupees. वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन फंड हमारा 70,000 का था, क्लेम कितने के हो गए? 2 लाख रुपीस के हो गए. तो हमें पता है 30,000 हम कहाँ से लेंगे? रिवोल्यूशन अकाउंट से लेंगे, और क्योंकि लॉस हुआ तो रिवोल्यूशन के डेबिट साइड में आएगा बेटा. Capital of the partner to be adjusted according to the new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio के में पार्टनर कैपिटल एडजस्ट होनी है. न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो क्या है आपके बेटा? इक्वल है. तो आपकी रेशियो जो पार्टनर्स की जो कैपिटल्स होगी नए बैलेंस शीट में, वो बेटा इक्वल होगी. न्यू बैलेंस शीट में जो आपकी पार्टनर्स की कैपिटल होगी वो बेटा इक्वल होगी. ओके, तो सबसे पहले हम रिवॉल्यूशन अकाउंट बना लेते हैं. हमारे पास ये वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन क्लेम है, कितने का है बेटा? 30,000 का. ओल्ड रेशियोज में डिवाइड कर दिए 30,000 को. हमारा बाय लॉस आ गया 30,000. पीस कैपिटल, यूज कैपिटल, आर्ट्स कैपिटल, एस कैपिटल, that will be 3,000, 12,000, 6,000 and 9,000. That will be 30,000. Okay, that's clear. Next, SR और गेनिंग रेशियो बेटा हमने ओल्ड माइनस न्यू करके निकाल लिए. दैट विल बी योर P's gaining ratio will be minus 6/40. यूज का SR है हमारा 6/40. R का हमारा गेनिंग है 2/40. S का हमारा सेक्रीफाइसिंग है 2/40. This one is gaining. These two are sacrificing. सो इनकी बेटा जनरल एंट्री क्या हो जाएगी? तो गुडविल हो जाएगी बेटा आपकी 2,70,000 multiplied by 6 by 40, that will be 40500. 2,70,000 6 by 40, 40500. चेक करो बेटा, इसमें कोई डाउट हो तो मुझसे पूछो जल्दी से बेटा। एनी डाउट? पार्टनर्स का बेटा एडजस्टमेंट करना, एडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट निकाल लेते हैं। एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ कैपिटल इसकी कैपिटल है हमारे पास 2 लाख रुपीस की, माइनस 3,000 लॉस ऑन रिवोल्यूशन, minus sacrificing 4500, so you will get 1,56,500. Use capital ₹3,00,000 minus 12,000 plus 312,500. So total capital of the all partner will be 13,70,000 and divided into equal ratios. 13,70,000 divided into the equal ratios 1/4. That will be 3,42,500. बेटा ये जो है सबकी कैपिटल होगी. This will be the capital for all partner. Okay guys. So this is clear to you. Just turn on your webcam. I want to see what you are doing. Turn on your webcams. बेटा क्लियर है ये पॉइंट? देख लो, जो समझ में नहीं आया बेटा पूछ लो मुझसे दोबारा. रेज योर हैंड, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. Raise your hand, I will explain you. अब बेटा इसको पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर कर दो डायरेक्टली, दैट विल बी योर आंसर. सबसे पहले हम कैपिटल ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं बेटा, जो बैलेंस शीट में दी हुई है हमें होल्ड कैपिटल. टू लाख, 3 लाख, 4 लाख, 5 लाख. By fees and R's capital 40,500 and 13,500. Here to revaluation, how much? 3,000. That will be 12,000. 6,000 and 9,000. To Q's and S, that will be 40,500, that 13,500. And your balance CD, what we have find out here, 3,42,500. So average is capital will be 42,500. Get the total of both sides. 3,86,000, 3,54,500, 4 lakh and 5,13,500. Three lakh 86,000, 3,54,500, 4 lakh and 5,13,500. Find out the balancing figure by cash. देखो बेटा ये वाला अमाउंट बड़ा है, ये छोटा है, कैश आ जाएगा आपका 1,86,000 कैश आ जाएगा बेटा. सेम एज यार ये अमाउंट बड़ा है, दोनों का टोटल छोटा है बेटा, तो 14,000 रुपीज इधर कैश आ जाएगा. ओके, तो कैश कितना है यहाँ पे, सेम एज 38 कैश यहाँ आ जाएगा बेटा, और that will be 52,500, so 1,62,000 कैश भी आ जाएगा. ओके, ये थोड़ा सा बेटा टफ है, adjustment of the capital एक दो बार घर पे करिएगा, so you will do it. Okay, just finish it and send to me beta. Just finish this one and send me on the WhatsApp. Okay Akshay, okay Yash, Vanshika, Sneha, Pranshi, Pawan, Naman, Manveer. Just finish it and send to me. I am waiting for your answer. Okay beta, take care, bye bye.